Hi, in this lesson, we will see about another way of creating dynamic search ad campaigns. In the previous lesson, we have seen how to create DSA campaigns through different conditions that are available in Google Ads, right? So let's see how we can create it through page feed. I'm going into the engine. So here, so first you have to understand few settings, okay? So I'm going into the settings, so not this one. This is the one, right? We have created. So going into DSA search ad setting. So after you give the website URL here, okay, here you will be having two options. One is use all URLs Google knows about your website, and another is use only URLs from page speed. When you select the first option, you have seen in the previous lesson, right? Different categories are available. Okay, let's duplicate this one and see what are those, right? So going into this campaign, let's create and see how it appears. Dynamic, continue. You see, these are the categories that are retrieved by Google from its index, from its storage database. Okay, so this is these appear. Okay, these categories appear when you select this first option. So these categories don't appear if you select this second option. If you select this second option, so here in this place you will be able to see the page feed. Okay, so in order to see these page feed settings, first you have to upload your page feed data into Google Ads. Okay, let's see how we can upload it and how we can create it. Okay, go to tools, go to business data here, click on this create button, and here you see page feed. Click on it. So in order to upload the page feed, we must follow the format that is provided by Google, right? So in order to have that format, when you click on this link, a Excel template will be downloaded. And please remember that when you upload that format also, it has to be in the same format, that is CSV format. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. So you just click on it, it will be downloaded. Okay, going into it. So this is the template. Okay, so this is the template. In this template, you have two columns. One is page URL, another is the custom label. Okay, so in the page URL, you have to give the URLs, you have to give the web pages that you wanted to target. Okay, and here for remembering purpose, to which category does the URL belongs, you can give the labels. Okay, so based on these labels only, we will be able to target those web pages in the Google Ads. We will see it. Okay, so I have created a page feed. Okay, this is the page feed. So here there are the different URLs that I have given, and I have also labeled them here. Okay, so this URL I have labeled it as apparel, and these two URLs I have labeled them as men apparel, and here these are the belts, and next is the games. So like this I have labeled them, and after use while you saving, okay, while you saving, so make sure that this is in CSV format. Okay, we have different formats. Just make sure that it is in CSV format. Okay, I have already saved it, and let's again save it. Okay, let's again save it so that you will have an idea. Browse, and let's, okay, demo, keep it as demo, and save this here only. Okay, you just ignore this one. So this is the demo feed. Okay, go to Google Ads, select the source. Before that you have to give the name here. Okay, DSA feed demo. Okay, select source. There are different ways. We have uploading through a file. Select the file, select the from computer, select this one. It has to be in CSV format, please remember it, and open, and click on apply. Okay, after you apply, the web pages that you have provided will be reviewed by Google. Okay, so it will take some time to review by Google. Okay, so this is the one that I have already uploaded before. So click on it, the same one. Okay, so you see this is how the uh, those URLs will appear after the approval. Here you can see the status, and here this is the page URL, and these are the custom columns that we have given. If you want, you can also change those custom columns here, okay? Or if you want, you can also add manually here into the page feed. Okay, click on it, and you give the URL, you give the custom label. Like this also you can add the page feed. Okay, after you giving this page feed, after it is eligible, after it is approved by Google, you will be able to see the option that I have shown in the settings, right? Go to the campaigns, go to the settings, and here you will be able to see this option. Okay, and click on it, and here you need to select the page feed, which page feed you wanted to target. So this is the one, right? Because this is in this page feed all the URLs were approved, and click on save. Okay, and now go to the, let's create one campaign. Okay, so let's create ad group. Go to this campaign, click on create, select the dynamic. So you see here we have this label option. Earlier there is no this option, right? So earlier there were categories. Here now it is asking to add the labels, which labels you wanted to target. So let's target it. Okay, leave this page, go to tools, business data, feed. Okay, so let's target this men apparel. Okay, just copy this label, make sure it is as it is. Okay, just copy it, go here and paste and add. That's it. This is very simple. So these two URLs will be targeted because these two URLs comes under this label. Okay, so you can give the bid $10, I mean 10 rupees. Okay, whatever the bid according to the budget the client has provided to you, and here just give it this name as DSA page feed, and the label is men apparel, like this. Okay, and save and continue. So again I will be giving the generic descriptions. So next is the description 2, and done. Save and continue. So this is simple. Okay, this is how we can do, or we can create the DSA campaigns through page feed. So in order to prepare page feed, you have to work some around few URLs, which web pages you wanted to target. You copy those web page URLs and follow the same template that Google has provided to you. Okay, so and save it in CSV format and upload it here. Make sure that you give the proper custom columns, I mean the custom labels, so that it will be very easy for you to identify. Okay, so through custom labels only we have targeted, right? So this is how you can target the DSA. You can target the web pages through page feed. So few best practices, through page feed is, you need not to add any negative dynamic targets, because so here we have directly targeted the URLs only. Okay, there is no chance of these Google algorithms going into the other web pages, because we have specified very clearly that please target only these URLs that are having this specific label. Okay, so these Google algorithms will target those URLs only. Okay, so there is no need of targeting, or there is no need of negating the other dynamic URLs. Okay, so and one of the best practice, as I told you in the previous lesson, is adding all the negative keywords in the exact match. Okay, that is one of the best practice that you can utilize while building this strategy. Okay, so I hope we have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.